Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our sixth chapter of practice book, Linkers. Linkers are the words that connect two sentences or clauses together. For example, the phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. In this sentence, the phone rings is our first sentence. You listen to the voice on the other side is our second sentence. And these two sentences are connected or joined by and. So here our linker is and. Let us take some more example. Learn the answer and write them in your notebook. In this sentence, our linker is and. Mohit is slow, but he is a hard-working child. Mohit is slow, but he is a hard-working child. So in this sentence, but is our linker. I was absent because I was ill. And this because is our linker. So in first sentence, the linker and is joining two independent statements. So that means if you want to join two independent statements together, then you will use and. Next is in second sentence, but joins two independent statements of contrasting ideas. Whenever there is a contrast in the ideas in two statements, then we use but. For example, I like ice cream, but my brother likes cake. Next is I was absent because I was ill. Here because joins the subordinate clause with the main clause. Here subordinate clause is joined with the main clause with the help of because. So what you have to remember? You have to remember that linkers are classified into two broad categories. First one is coordinating linkers and second one is subordinating linkers. Coordinating linkers, for example, and, but, or, either or, neither nor, not only but also. And subordinating linkers are because, although, after, if, since, while, so, that, as. Now, and as well as not only but also, yet, still, but, neither nor, either or are coordinating linkers. These linkers join independent sentences in three ways, like and merely add one statement to another. As we have already discussed, when we are joining two independent statements together, then we use and but add two statements of contrasting ideas, or add two statements expressing choice. Whenever there is a choice, then we use or. For example, what would you like to have, tea or coffee? Two options are there, tea or coffee. Now next is the linker that join the main clause and subordinate clause. They are called subordinating linkers. For example, you will get a trophy if you win. In this sentence, you will get a trophy is our main clause, you win is our subordinate clause, and if is our subordinating linker. We have already discussed about main clause and subordinate clause in our previous chapter, that is chapter number 5. So I hope that is clear to you. So whenever you are joining one main clause and one subordinate clause together, then we use subordinating linker, and when we are joining two independent statements together, then we use coordinating linker. Now here is the list of all the subordinating and linkers. Subordinating linkers are divided into 7 parts. First one is subordinating linker of time. These are before, till, since, after, when, as. Next is cause or reason, because, as, since. Subordinating linker of comparison are then, whereas, such as. Purpose, that, so that. Result, that, so that. Condition, if, unless. And subordinating linkers of concession are although and even if.